Hello, today we are going to be building a voltaic cell using electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is defined as the relationship between chemical reactions and electricity. To build our battery, we will need an anode and a cathode connected by a wire that will hook up to a voltage meter that will read the amount of volts our battery creates. Also, we will need to create a salt bridge to balance out our two parts of the battery. On the anode side of the battery, we will have solid magnesium and a solution of magnesium nitrate. As the reaction occurs, the solid magnesium will start to dissolve and magnesium 2 plus will get put into the solution. This process is called oxidation, which is the loss of electrons. The reducing agent is where oxidation occurs. The half cell for this oxidation process is magnesium dissolved into magnesium plus 2 and 2 electrons.
The salt bridge keeps the battery working by balancing the solutions to keep them stable. The positively charged ions will go to the copper metal to balance out all the negatively charged ions. On the opposite side, the negative ions in the salt bridge will go to balance out magnesium because of all the positive ions left in the solution. Now, moving on to the cathode. The cathode of the voltaic cell is copper. Copper is a cathode because the reduction half reaction shows that copper is gaining electrons. Copper is gaining electrons because it is higher up on the activity series chart. The activity series chart labels the atoms in order from highest to lowest in terms of standard reduction potential. The reduction half reaction for the cathode is copper plus 2 is gaining 2 electrons and is making solid copper. Copper is gaining electrons through the wire from the magnesium. This process is called reduction. The site where reduction occurs is called the oxidizing agent. The flow of electrons moves from the magnesium through the wire to the copper. The solid copper is the electrode because the electricity is transferring from the magnesium and entering the copper. The solid copper is the electrode.
Who's that Pokemon?
No! This is science!
Alright, ladies, let's calm down. So, the electrolyte is the solution that has the copper ions getting added onto the solid copper because of the electron flow going into the metal. Here is some photographic evidence of our experiment.